Hey guys, it's Jordy here, and I'm here to show you guys how to fix your iPhone if it will not turn on. The other day I had my phone charging and I tried to cut it on, but nothing would show on the screen at all. So I'm trying to figure out like what's going on with it. I'm pressing the power button, nothing. It's not even showing that it's charging at all. So I'm like, wow. I was kind of scared. I didn't have insurance on the phone, so I'm like, wow, what am I gonna do? I really just got this phone and it's not working. So I'm gonna show you guys how I fixed it. All you have to do is press the home button. If you press the home button and the power button at the same time, hold it down and it'll reset. It'll do like a hard reset. And then you just let go once you see it, the apple come up. Then it'll start up. Takes a few seconds, but it starts up. Yeah, this right here, it saved my life. I was sweating bullets, but if you guys thought this was helpful, please hit that subscribe button, thumbs up this video, and thank you guys for watching.